तारीख है 7 मई 2022 और समय हो गया है 12:30 AM। देखिए जनाब, ऐसा है के मेनन साहब, पहली बात तो के मनन मनन नाम है आपका। अच्छा, जूश हो आप, जूश हो ना। और एक है जनाब संदीप चौधरी। क्या कह रहे थे साहब आप? मतलब मैंने नवनीत राणा के केस में एक क्लॉज यूज कर लिया कि शी वॉज किडनैप्ड। यस, इट वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज किडनैपिंग by the Maharashtra police. Now the same here, the Delhi advocates are using case of Tejinder Pal Bagga without knowing the real fact. He was arrested in a raid, sir. It was not the act which was related to the warrant issued by the honorable court, and that is the police will go in the uniform once, twice and thrice continuously. They will visit there, and Mr. Bagga will say, no, I am not accepting the warrant and I am not giving my arrest. Are you crazy? He was arrested in raid, sir. Now you tell me. We will, yes, Mr. Tejinder Pal Bagga was arrested in raid and we will present him according to our ease. To any nearest court. First we will consider the security of our officials, not your client, sir. We will secure our police first. No, Patiala house was not secure for Punjab police to show the arrest of Tejinder Pal Bagga. Not even any court of Delhi. While you, Mr. K.K. Manan and Mr. Chetan Mittal, like the senior advocates, doesn't know what is the meaning of raid. Your Mr. Bagga, according to IB information, Intelligence Bureau of India, he was working for Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. Now you tell me, should I first publish the report of IB before arresting of Mr. Bagga and let him use it in for his advertisement? Now you tell me, Mr. K.K. Manan, and now you, Mr. Sandeep Chaudhary, now the Delhi, just a moment, sir, I am also a Bar Association's member. Yes, I own Las Vegas, world's most costliest bar counters. So this is the real meaning of Bar Association. Myself Hitesh Mandal, Twitter handle @HiteshRay1. Sir, he was arrested in a raid by Punjab police on a special order of Yes, KPS Gill team. इन हिंदी सर मेरे बस की बात तो है नहीं, मैं तो नहीं पढ़ता केपीएस गिल की टीम के मामले में, साफ सीधी बात है। मैंने तो इंटरपोल की तरफ से 3,000 करोड़ रुपए और सैंक्शन कर दिया। मैं कहा भैया ड्यूटी करो। केपीएस गिल की टीम है। Now you are planning, Mr. K.K. Manan, that the Mr. Chetan Mittal will forward the case to the Supreme Court and you will catch it as in your client, Mr. Baga. And maybe possible you will also get some chance to get to earn the fees. This is why Mr. K.K. Manan is in debate. Now you are saying it was wrong. What's the meaning of FIR register? Why should? Sir, it was a case of simply raid was organized by because of IB's information, sir. No, sir, no, never. You don't. No advocacy. No advocacy has a right to ask the IB's report and the source. Because it's directly related with terrorism, sir. Islamic State of Iraq and Syria. They were using Scorpio, Mahindra's Scorpio. You know, now you consider it. It's not a good gesture to show Scorpio in front of your house, is it? सर बात निकलेगी तो बहुत दूर तक जाएगी, ज्यादा अच्छा होगा मिस्टर मनन साहब। मैंने कहा ना, जो आप लोगों वकीलों को नहीं पहचान पाया वो अभी अपने माँ के पेट में है सर, वो बोल रहा फिर पुलिस में नहीं है। सबसे पहले हमने पुलिस में आने के बाद हमने वकीलों को ही पहचानना शुरू किया था। Now the Chetan Mittal's case will be forwarded to the KK Manan and he will be supposed to be an advocate of Mr. Tejinder Pal Bagga, a most wanted by IB. You know it? Actually sir, he kidnapped. अभी एक केस और आने वाला है। He kidnapped 3 or 4 girls, little girls, and he directly said to a media lady named Anjana Om Kashyap, I think so. Now, I'm giving you information, sir. Yes, and he said, if you are not advertising me, I will kill those girls. That was a statement by Tejinder Pal Bagga, sir. Yes. That's why the IB was working silently. And we do make the safe release of all those 4 girls. Maybe the number will vary. Yes. It was a case. And after that, the Punjab police, why we use Punjab police? Because if you do use the unturban police, maybe the Sikh will use it as a war against Sikhs. You will now the Sikh will say that it was a partiality by the Delhi police, and because of Sikh they are arresting him. That's why we use Punjab police, sir. Born intelligent है सर, born intelligent है सर, born intelligent. That's why we use Punjab police to make arrest of Tejendra Pal Bagga, so that you will not able to raise a question inside the court's room for the partiality on a Delhi police, sir. We use turban against turban, sir. The statement of Mr. Bagga was when he was getting arrested by the Punjab police. He said, "अपने वाले हैं, कोई चिंता नहीं है." Go and check it, sir. SPG register. Yes. Sir, I am a GD, graphic designer, and I am a designer, sir. I can design anything. It was very easy to arrest him, sir. I told them, use Punjab police instead of Delhi police or a Bihar or Haryana or UP police. Because once you go there, maybe possible, the riots will ignite. And the Sikh will use the same language inside the courtroom that he was arrested because of he is a Sikh in Delhi. And they will use the reference of 1984 riots. Exactly, sir. तुम्हारे वालों को तुम्हारे वाले ले गए. IG Combat, sir. IIG, Interpol Inspector General. Born intelligent है sir, born intelligent. अब छुड़ा लो. Now we transferred its custody. Now we transferred its custody from Punjab Police to IB, sir, Intelligence Bureau of India. What you will say, Mr. K.K. Manan? बिहारियों को बिहारी भाषा में पकड़ेंगे और सरदारों को सरदारों की पुलिस पकड़ लेगी, गढ़वालियों को गढ़वाली पुलिस पकड़ लेगी और J&K को J&K पुलिस. वेरी इजी, सर. As I ordered to Bihar regiment to flag march in Punjab, suddenly so many organization of Punjab took out the weapons, AK-47. Yes, sir, this is reality. Yes, sir. Marshal Vitesh Mandal. My rank is Chakra. Tricolor. Center of Tricolor. I'm the Chakra Saab. And Cha letter is on my thumb, sir. Hindi Cha letter. Chakra. है सर, है. Born intelligent है. दिमाग लेके पैदा हुए हैं सर. It was a lastly statement stated by the Tejendra Pal Bagga while the Punjab police was in arrest. He said, "O तुसी घबराओ ना यार, अपने वाले हैं." मुझे पता था सर, भारत के अंदर जो है ना, ये कुछ परेशानी है कि अगर सिखों को पकड़ने जाओ ना, कुछ केस रजिस्टर्ड करा दो तो दिल्ली पुलिस पर सीधा 1984 का इल्ज़ाम लगा देते हैं और खुद ये भूल जाते हैं कि फायरिंग करने वाले इंदिरा गांधी पे वही लोग थे. जी हाँ, दिल्ली पुलिस ने पार्शियलिटी नहीं करी थी सर. अगर दिल्ली पुलिस नहीं होती ना, शायद तिलक नगर नहीं होता. मेरी एक रिपोर्ट थी सर, उसमें मैंने साफ बताया था कि दिल्ली के अंदर कांग्रेसियों द्वारा मेरठ, सहारनपुर, अलीगढ़ से मुसलमानों को बुलाया गया था सिखों के कत्लेआम के लिए। जी हाँ सर, ये रिपोर्ट मेरी थी सर। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।